Hey everybody, this is Crystal with CrystalsDiversiCreations. So I want to share one of my favorite craft items with you. It's the Posca marker. So I use these all the time, like if I'm doing ornaments, any kind of small woodwork where I need to paint it, earrings, jewelry, puzzles, anything like that. And it's particularly good when you're doing like small fine details, because like I have smaller ones which are for your really tiny fine details. And unlike paint, you know, that comes in a little bottle, you don't need water, you don't need brushes, you don't have to clean brushes, which is what I really love. And it just works just like a marker. So I'm going to show you how I use them. Come on. So these are my Posca markers, and they are paint markers. I absolutely love these. I've bought several different sets, so this is like a combination. I have the skinnier ones, and so like this is a 0.7, and then like the standard one is the 2.5s. So I love these. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a link to them, but I want to show you them in action. Okay, so first I want to show you how you actually use a Posca marker. So if you got a brand new one, you open it up and you'll notice that the tip is actually white. So you have to prime it. You shake it a bit to get the ink to start to come down. Once it starts to come down, you want to shake it some more, and you'll start to see as you dab it, the ink will eventually come down. When it gets down there though, it stays. This is like, you don't have to do this every time at all. So you can see it's starting to come out, and you keep dabbing, and then there you have your color. And then this one doesn't have to be primed again. It's only when you first get them, because sometimes it's confusing as to what to do with them. So I'm going to paint this snowflake white, and you'll get to see just how much coverage. This is one stroke over it, right? The coverage is amazing. It really is. It's smooth. It's so much easier to control a paint marker than it is to control a paintbrush. And particularly when you're trying to do details like this here, it's so easy to kind of just get here and not get paint all on the sides and, you know, all like that. So these are the best for jewelry making, for any kind of woodwork, any kind of craft work, really at all. It just, the level of control you have is what I like the most, and then the way that it covers. So like this wood that was just white, perfectly covered. Now if you need extra coverage, you just let it dry a little bit and you can go right back over it. This is the silver. You can see that it has some shimmer. It's a metallic silver, and same thing, it gives you that full coverage like you need. This here where we have stained it already, I'm going to go ahead and make that purple. You just see, just barely touching it, and it gives you that full coverage. And you can move through your work very quickly, because like, just glide over it once and it's covered. And it's a very opaque color. It's not like it's see-through or transparent or anything like that. It gives you really good coverage. I have tried other markers, because these are a little bit pricey, but they're worth the investment. They last a long time, because like once that ink is down there, the paint is down there, it's as if you keep in a wet paintbrush, and then you don't have the cleanup you have with regular paint. You just put your top on, you go, it's ready to go. So I use it when I'm doing like the children's puzzles and all kinds of things like that. So here's just a closer look at just how well it covers. Nice and smooth. Just a really good coverage. So here you see my collection again, and they come in a variety of thicknesses and colors. So get yourself some. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks as always for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.